Madamantiya panasagsaganan ni Governor Cecilia Arneta Marcos para iti State of the Province address na into Nolones kunati gobernadora at iti panagnervyos na gabot dito iti kunaan nga State of the Province address na.
As I said, I am quite nervous about doing my first SOCO, but thank you for all your support and thank you for all your feedback. Talaga po, it really means a lot to me, and don't worry, I will take note of all the things that you have said and all the things that you have requested, and we will somehow be able to try and to tackle all that you have said. And lahat po naman po na sinuggest nyo at request nyo, para lahat, para sa kabutihan naman ng lahat. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Kabayatan na namnamay ng ada iti umatandar iti First Family babaeng kin House Majority Leader Sandro Marcos. Tiso pa ni Governor Marcos ket mayagan ito Nolones nga maang itulukan dya Cultural Center iti Siyudad de Batak. Idol Dennis Alipio, Tatak, IFM.